Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This comparison is based on my personal experience using both platforms. In this video, we're diving into the world of AI-powered video creation, comparing two leading platforms, INVIDEO, previously known as NIDAI, and Pictory. Both tools promise to streamline video production using artificial intelligence, but they each offer unique features that cater to different users. Let's explore what each platform brings to the table and determine which might be the best fit for your video creation needs. INVIDEO is a versatile platform designed with content creators, marketers, and small businesses in mind, particularly those who need to produce high-quality videos quickly. Its most impressive feature is the script-to-video functionality. Simply paste your script, and INVIDEO's AI generates a complete video, incorporating relevant visuals, smooth transitions, and background music, all pulled from a vast library of customizable templates. This allows for a good balance of creative control and time-saving automation, ideal for those who want a polished product without extensive editing. INVIDEO is particularly well-suited for creating social media videos, advertisements, and promotional content, thanks to its intuitive and beginner-friendly interface. Pictory, on the other hand, focuses on transforming long-form content, such as blog posts and articles, into engaging video formats. With Pictory, you can easily convert text or a script into a dynamic video, complete with automated voiceovers, visuals, and transitions. This makes it a valuable tool for content marketers, educators, and bloggers looking to repurpose their existing written content into a more digestible video format. Pictory's robust text-to-speech engine offers a selection of voice options, eliminating the need to record your own voiceover. Furthermore, it supports short-form video creation from reports. While both platforms harness the power of AI to simplify video creation, INVIDEO shines in its user-friendliness and versatility, making it a strong choice for marketers seeking dynamic video content quickly. Pictory, however, is better suited for converting existing written content into video and is a more efficient option if your primary goal is repurposing long-form articles or blog posts into shorter, captivating video clips. In summary, INVIDEO, formerly NIDAI, is the preferred option for users who value a more creative and customizable video creation process, whereas Pictory is ideal for those prioritizing the quick and efficient conversion of existing text into engaging video content. Be sure to check out the links to both platforms in the description below. Try them out and see which platform best aligns with your specific video production needs.